Hello world, Rich Fortney here, Quest Get On The Alone Show. Hey, this episode here is going to be how to make a friction fire with poplar wood. I know last month I put one out there for cedar. It's normally the easiest. Then from there, next one would be poplar, which I'm going to do. Basically, I'm going to go over, I'm not going to go over how to make a spindle, how to make a breaking block or a bracing block, hearth board, or just plank of wood, whichever you want to call it. Something for your ash to fall in. And then of course your bow. So with that being said, I'm just going to go through the steps with you real quick and show you how to make it. So stay tuned. First, burn it in. This is that piece of poplar that I had. I got a Sycamore spindler, and I'm going to use my knife as a bearing block. So let me get this burned in, and then we'll go from there. Trying to save that ash that I had the last time. I don't know if it'll work or not, but we'll see. It'll help build up that gap. And I am doing it the traditional style. I know I have an issue with it, and you'll see that, but that's all right. So, go ahead and get this recording. It's just showing me where I'm gonna have to put my notch. Okay. Well, I'm going to okay. Well, I'm going to right there. Alright, I got the notch cut into it. So now we're going to go ahead and get back at it. Pretty windy today. It's going to rain. Pretty windy today. It's going to rain. Starting to get the ash. Slipped out. Okay, it's brewing. My ash is still going, which is great. So now it's time to transfer it to, got to protect it because of the wind. And now I'm going to get it into the bird's nest. Now I'm going to get it into the bird's nest. Get a little bit of this cattail. That's always helpful. There we go. As you can see, now we'll get a little bit of the birch bark going and just build from there. Get this poplar going. Now I'm not going to build too big of a fire because of all this wind. Alright world, hey, this is the end of this episode. Want you to, if you like this video, subscribe and like. I appreciate it. And shows you that making friction fire is not as easy as everyone thinks. Just make sure you prepare real good. Have all your material ready to do it, and it can be done. So with that being said, arrivederci.